if destiny has been pushing you towards this video, bro, please do not resist it, because today we are not just cooking ordinary soup, we are creating a pot of emotional support. And you know what, welcome back to my kitchen, the only place where goat meat meets pomo, stockfish, asa fish, uziza oha leaf, and small stubborn ugba that can peacefully coexist without government intervention. And you know what, I want you to listen carefully. This is not that boring okra soup that behaves like warm green water. This soup came with confidence. I chopped my okra, not already chopped from the market too, the one I chopped at home by myself, making sure all dates, all stain are vanished. You know, handcrafted thing. And this is spiritually prepared. And guess what, I did not choose any thickener, no ogbono, no hachi, no cocoyam. The soup decides to succeed naturally. Cause tell me, why not? If your ancestors have been whispering, go and cook something meaningful. Congratulations, you have arrived at the right video. Today, we are making rich Nigerian vegetable style okra and oha soup with goat meat, momo, stockfish, asa fish. You know, we all know asa fish now. If you are typically in the Igbo, you know asa fish. So I use the head of asa fish. That head is the real deal. You should know what I'm saying. Uziza leaf and little ugba. And by the end of this video, your swallow will start respecting you more. Wash your meat very well, because some pomo still carries the trauma of its former life. Into the pot goes the goat meat. Now let me tell you the truth about goat meat. Goat meat is not food. Goat meat is an endurance test. If your chewing strength is weak, this soup may humble you publicly. And your onions, seasoning cubes, salt, pepper, and allow everything to cook properly. The way I chop this okra, even restaurant chef would pause the video. Perfect texture, perfect size, enough drawiness to reconnect family members emotionally. Because Nigeria okra soup is not complete unless the soup stretches like it's trying to follow you back home. Bro, now let's discuss the controversial guest, Ugba, because I know some people are already sweating. Ugba inside okra and oha. Yes, sometimes greatness requires courage. I only added a little Ugba, just enough to wake up the flavor without turning the soup into a full family meeting. Pomo may not have vitamin, but spiritually, pomo is healing. Immediately, my kitchen transformed into December in the village. The aroma alone started paying bills. Please use good palm oil, not the type that looks confused about its purpose in life. Prepare everything gently and allow all the ingredients mingle properly. Now the star of the show enters, the okra. The moment okra touches the hot soup, started behaving like its own pot. You know how okra behaves now? It likes dominating. And because I use no thickener, the okra carried the soup on its head like a responsible first child. Soup was drawing respectfully. Next came the uziza leaves. That scent and that little spiciness plus the aroma. That deep spicy village fragrance. Immediately, I felt qualified to advise people about life, because bro, uziza leaf does not just add flavor, it adds wisdom. Then came the small ugba. Again, small. Finally, I had the oha leaves. Please do not overcook oha leaf. That is why I add the uziza first. Let it do its thing before adding the oha leaf. Oha leaf is delicate, soft, elegant. It loves to be treated. Treat it carefully like Nigerian parents treat the child that studies medicine. A little ugba goes a long way, because if you pour too much, I am not there, your soup will suddenly start speaking Abacha language. Now everything is complete. The soup was rich, joy, colorful, spicy, traditional. This is the kind of soup that fixes bad mood. Cook this for your mother-in-law. You are gonna come back to thank me. Imagine us pounded yam entering this pot. Honestly, words are not enough.